What's up, my Pugnios? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over this Wi-Fi 7 tri-band PCIe wireless Wi-Fi card to be able to put your PC and have Wi-Fi 7. What's great here is it uses 3 bands, tri-band. It's got the 2.4, it's got the 5, and even 6G bands. Integrated is Bluetooth, so if you wanted to connect wirelessly your Bluetooth products, the antenna does take that as well. PCIe adapter is plug and play and is easy to set up and download the drivers. With that said, the folks at WavLink did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it does help out the channel. Let's unbox this, demonstrate it, put it in your rig, and see what this tri-band Wi-Fi card can do for you. Let's unbox the BE8800 Wi-Fi 7 tri-band. I think it's exciting now introducing 6G into the wireless architecture. It's Bluetooth. It also has Bluetooth 5.4, which is your modern Bluetooth chip. And there it is. This is going to fit into your PCIe. Here is your transmitter receiver, and the rest of it includes mounting brackets, etc. for your gaming rig. In the box, it comes with adapter and power if needed to convert, which I think is nice. It comes with the hardware. If you wanted to mount it in, here's your standard antenna with the 2 cords getting all 3 bands. And then here is the unit itself. I'm going to try to reduce the amount of touching because I don't want to short circuit it. But it's nice that it comes in a bag here that's static free. But here it is, there's the WavLink PCIe. It'll fit into your slot. Those are your 2 receivers. Just a high quality build here with the heat sink that's metallic. That'll look really clean in your rig, I like that. Okay, we're here on location. Let's go ahead and put it in my rig. I've got a PCIe slot down here that we can easily place it into. It's gonna be easy, plug and play, and then we'll demonstrate it on the computer. It doesn't take a full PCIe slot, so you can place it into the small adapter. Press fit it into the slot, and then retruding the screw onto the mount, and then you're ready to boot it from Windows. There we go, it fits right in there, no problem. You can see it distinctly. Now when we turn it over, we can go ahead and place the antenna in there easily. Next, we're gonna connect the Bluetooth. You're gonna connect the white, and then find the appropriate power matching on your board. What's nice about the antenna here is you do have a silicone pad on the bottom, or if you wanted, you could peel off the adhesive and this could adhere to the side. What is cool is it can magnetize, which is nice. I'm gonna stick it on the side here just for the sake of this demonstration. Now we're ready to boot up my computer. One thing about this chip is it only works with Intel CPUs. So originally I was hoping to be able to put it with my Radeon, but unfortunately AMD isn't compatible for this chip. Now we're ready to boot it up. You do need to plug it into a USB bus port. There's one that was open on my motherboard. Now we're ready to go. There's a speed test. I do have a limit on my megabits a second. I've got about 100 down and 50 up. You can see here it's having no problem being able to connect. Also, I've downloaded Bluetooth, and now we have access to all these Bluetooth devices we can pair with, or we can add a new one. With that said, I was having a hard time being able to get my Wi-Fi 7 to work. It is kind of finicky because you have to make sure that your ISP and your modem does work. I do have Google Fiber, but being able to connect to that tri-band was a little bit more difficult. Make sure that your modem has that option. With that said, the wireless card was easy to be able to connect, and also connecting to Bluetooth was a cinch, but just make sure that your motherboard does support it as well. With that said, the folks at WavLink did provide to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it does help out the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.